What is up guys, Stan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the Steam 105 error. So let's get started. So first, you just need to close the application and restart it. And this might solve the problem of this 105 code issue. But if it still doesn't solve the problem, go to the taskbar or the task manager. And then from there, click on the Steam, right click on the Steam and then click on End Task. And if you are seeing this 105 code again and again, simply click on the store one time and then it will reload your Steam application. Now, opening the task manager, from here search for the Steam client web helper, right click on here and then click on end task and then just simply restart your Steam application or previously that I showed you to just simply close the application and restart it. These were the two ways, and the third one is to restart your internet connection. And the fourth way is if it still doesn't work, just simply restart your PC and this will work fine. Sometimes it's just a fresh restart that is all wanted. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.